Subtraction with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping is also known as borrowing. It is a method used to subtract numbers when the digit in the top position is smaller than the digit in the bottom position, requiring borrowing from the next higher place value. So now, let's solve some examples. So we have here 27 minus 18. First, we need to subtract the numbers from the ones place. So 7 minus 8, since 7 is smaller than 8, we need to borrow 1 from 2. 2 will become 1 and 7 will become 17. So 17 minus 8 is 9. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 9. So now we have our second example, that is 54 minus 36. So first, we need to subtract the numbers from the ones position. So 4 minus 6, since 4 is smaller than 6, we need to borrow 1 from 5. So 5 will become 4. And 4 will become 14. So 14 minus 6 is 8. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 8. So the answer is 18. So now, we have our third example. So we have 71 minus 29. So first, we need to subtract the numbers from the ones position first. So 1 minus 9, since 1 is smaller than 9, we need to borrow 1 from 7. So 7 will become 6 and 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 9 is 2. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So the answer is 42. Now, let's take it a bit higher. So we have 118 minus 99. So always remember, we need to subtract the numbers from the ones position first. So we have 8 minus 9. Since 8 is smaller than 9, we need to borrow 1 from 1. So from the tens position. So 1 will become 0 and 8 will become 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. So let's go proceed to the tens position. That is 0 minus 9. Since 0 is smaller than 9, we need to borrow 1 from hundreds. So 1 will become 0 and 0 will become 1. So it will become 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. And 0 minus 0 is 0. So the answer is 19. Now we have our final example, that is 532 minus 300. 349. Always remember that we need to subtract the numbers from the ones position first. That is 2 minus 9. Since 2 is smaller than 9, we need to borrow 1 from 3. So, borrow 1 from 10. So, that is 3. So, 3 will become 2 and 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 9 is minus 9 equals 3. And 2, let's go proceed to the tens position. So we have 2 minus 4. Since 2 is smaller than 4, we need to borrow 1 from 5, from the hundreds position. So 5 will become 4 and 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 4 is 8. And 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 183. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Till next time, I'm Jana Lorraine Shea Bernabe.